Go.
Hello everyone. Today we are going to make a puppet with tablet boxes. So you need a tablet box like this. This is really structures and I got it like this. And then you need different color papers like this. Or then it's optional. Now I'm going to stick it. So I put double side tape. And then you have to stick it over here into the hole. Like this. Then do the same with the others. Remove here. Set. Do the same other. Move. Side. Okay. We stitched all of them, right? Now it looks like this. Wow! Now we have to press, and it looks like see? And then you can press it back. Ta-da! Now this is your homemade puppet. You can keep on doing it and turn it to the other side. Then you can see it comes again. So that is it. So I hope you understood this. Bye bye, and I hope you liked this video. See you in the next video.